Mayweather and Pacquiao. It's going to be a good fight.
Oh, the neons are a-gleaming and the gamblers are a-dreaming. Oh, it's a nightlife, yeah, the nightlife.
My job is to go out there and do what I do best.
Make a killing, oh, it's a nightlife.
No, but he's kind of picked his own opponents the whole time. He's picked and chose who he wants to fight. I don't feel like he's really picked this one. I don't really think he wants to fight us in this fight. I think he was forced to fight this fight.
He just stepped up to the table and said, you know what, every athlete, not just boxer, should be on an even playing field, and every athlete should take random blood in your intestine at any time. And I was the first one to step up to the plate, not because I was worried about anything, because I feel that it's all about being fair.
It's a lucky streak. You can't beat the drama, the excitement, and the glamour of a nightlife.
That man really get messed up.
Why did you decide to take a quieter approach in the lead up to this fight?
I didn't take a quieter approach. You got to do your homework on what Floyd Mayweather said. Go back and do your homework on what I said. I keep saying the same thing over and over and over again. Once again, I had a game plan. My game plan in different fights, I had to sell the fights. This fight right here sells itself. I had to have the personality. I had to be outspoken.
Fanny Roach is a joke with no hope.
I think I've got Manny with a winning formula, and I do think we will win this fight.
Everyone game plan is to throw a lot of punches and keep a lot of pressure. It hadn't worked. 47 fighters had the same game plan, throw a lot of punches, keep a lot of pressure. My game plan was just take my time and do what I do best.